All right, let's take a look at this example ACT math problem. All right, so this problem says in the figure below, triangle ABC is a right triangle. Point D lies on AC. Measure of angle BAC is 30 degrees. Measure of angle BDC is 60 degrees. And AD is 80 inches. What is the length in inches of BC? Now, when you have a triangle that has 30 and 60 degrees in it, you should think of the special right triangles. Okay, so we have 30, 60, 90 triangle. The ratio of the sides are 2x for the hypotenuse, x opposite the 60, the opposite the 30 degree angle, and x squared root of 3 opposite the 60 degree angle. Okay, so here we can put DC. Oh, we see this triangle BDC. If it's 60 here and 90 here, then we're going to have 30 degrees up here. And we can use our ratio of our sides. So opposite the 30 is x. Opposite the 60 is x squared root of 3. Okay. So we have a triangle, we have degrees. So you should be thinking, SOHCAHTOA, Pythagorean theorem, along those lines. Here we're going to figure out, BC, so we do need to figure out what x is. We have this 30 degree angle here. We know it's 80 between A and D. So we can set up a, trig function here, trig ratio. We get the two legs of the triangle, so we can use tangent. Okay, so we can say tangent of 30 degrees. And going back to SOHCAHTOA, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So from that 30 degree angle, opposite side is the BC. So that's our x square root of 3. And then the adjacent side is the 80 plus x. Alright, so we have one equation here, one unknown x. So we can solve for x. Okay, I can multiply both sides by 80 plus x. I can distribute tangent of 30. So 80 tangent of 30 plus x tangent 30 equal x square root of 3. And the x's together because I just need one x. So I can subtract the x tangent of 30 from both sides, leaving me with tangent 80 tangent of 30 equal x square root of 3 minus x tangent of 30. Factor out that x. Alright, and then divide both sides by a square root of 3 minus tangent of 30. Alright, if I do that in my calculator, I end up with 40. Okay, so DC is 40, BC is 40, square root of 3. So our answer is answer choice D. Alright, so in this problem we use special right triangles, 30, 60, 90. There's also a 45, 45, 90, you need to know that one too. Okay, we use SOHCAHTOA. And then algebra to solve for x. So these later problems, they implore multiple concepts in order to solve one problem. Okay. So hopefully you understand how to solve this problem. So when you see it again, you know how to do it. Thanks.